welcome to my vlog again. I'm gonna eat this rice with this, my favorite.
Chicharon.
Yeah, chicharon.
Mangwan.
Wait, I'm gonna just put it in my plate. Wait a second.
Show it to them.
I'm not gonna put all of them, bro. Bro, I'm not gonna put all of them.
There go.
So I'm gonna eat it. Okay.
Lima lang muna gagamitin mo, Dad. Kaya na muna itong mga tumaluma.
So good.
Tapos pag naluma ito, tsaka ulit yung lima.
That's so good. Let me just get water. Wait. I'm watching you. Kuya, what are you doing? What did you do there? Oh, never.
Come here.
Did somebody, did my brother go here?
Pero yung ibang naman, nabasa mo na dito. Anak naman niya may autism, pinatay niya. Yung anak niya may autism.
Pero ibang bansa. Kasi yung asawa niya. No.
Next video, I'm gonna do the pet show.
Petro?
Yeah. So I'm gonna show my pets.
Wala lang mami, sundo para may grupo ka.
Ha?
Baka may grupo ka ng
Ano dinner?
I'm gonna tell all of my classmates name.
Ay, dati
Nathan,
i-message mo.
Umar,
Ano, hindi alam ni Dran kung kailan.
Abraham,
Pagkano kasi magdala na?
Aaron, Ricey, Mimona, Bianca,
Hindi alam ni Dran kung bukas ba o sa Friday yung
Bianca.
party.
Talia, Mariam, Tommy, then si Kate,
Yung message ko.
then me. Ew! Don't fart on me, Daddy. No.
Hindi nga yung sabi gusto. Magpalatoke.
Hindi makalang yung susunod.
Guys, whoever's watching this, please subscribe.
Want me to get you juice?
Yeah,
Grabe, ang mahal naman ng bali.
but he's gonna get me juice.
Harvard. Doctor.
I'm just gonna
Mom
check
of
the time.
5 siya, doctor siya.
4:31. Not the time that not like the
Out of
time.
income pa.
I mean
Happiness is out of
the time for the video.
Ano kaya natin? Harvard Education Bounty. Oh, education na kung tapos.
Pero buong ano yan? Buong pag-aaral yan.
Oo nga.
Here you go.
Tingnan mo lang yung difference.
What kind of juice is this again?
Coconut milk. Like
Coconut milk.
coconut mixed with milk.
Yeah, it's so
Mom.
good.
Yeah.
Our mom made it.
Our mom made it.
Basawa sila.
Mm-mm.
Ihaliin ka.
If Bianca's watching this,
6 digit.
if Bianca,
Dollar, ha?
Bianca, if you're watching this, you can go to my house.
Ano, 10-10?
Oo,
Eh, syempre,
okay na yun.
Ask your mama.
8 out of 10 yung...
That's your mama.
Yeah.
So, daddy. Ang napanood ko naman na isa sa kanila.
I have to
kanina
hurry
is,
up.
siya pangarap niya talaga 5.
Papa, Santa Maria.
Kasi ba yun? Nag-alam ko lang.
16%. I have to hurry up my food. Try this, guys. It's so good. We'll get the crunchy one.
With the vinegar, it's really good.
Yeah, with the vinegar.
Say,
Wow! Ang galing!
Opa.
Ah,
Papa, mahulog.
ang galing!
Habang nahulog.
Kaya ko yun.
Nakachinelas pa, oh.
Kasi madaling nga ako pag nakikita.
I just shot a video of my mom shot. No, I just hung the pets. That was so fast.
Hey! Up! Up!
Grabe ka naman, Daddy. Kinalat mo na lahat ng box. Dahil bibilang daw siya ng corn beef. Bibila ako ng corn beef.
So good.
Outfit.
Ikaw, bibili ka pa ng
Who-
corn beef. Ganyan ang outfit.
Whoever's in the boys' class always behave in school. Okay? Wait a second. You guys want some? You guys want a big bite? What's nice?
ne. Nag-visit ko sa Daisy. I'm gonna cut a lot.
Kamusta na? XL pa na yan, Daddy. Ito, at least. Okay lang ang
Medyo malaki.
Okay lang yun. Kasi yung sobrang fit. Pero ba't XL? Large lang na in-order ko. XL na
Hindi
nabili.
reklamo tayo. Para
Whoever watch my videos,
Harap niya with rice. Nakuha ka pa ng rice mo? Ay, Sachi, kuha ka pa ng rice mo? May rice pa? No more?
one more.
Yung lagay ko yung sa PBB.
Hmm?
PBB.
Mama, nag-watch po kami movie.
Okay.
I don't know what it's called, but yung lalaki, tsaka may new student. Then, nagpunta sila sa forest. Maglaro daw kasi. At saka daw yung rope, nahulog daw siya. May swing po siya, tsaka may pong deep na water sa middle. Nahulog daw po siya. Hindi alam ng lalaki. She went there by herself.
Kaya nagustuhan mo yung polo mo?
Everyone, my last.
Yung kasama ni ate nakita ko dyan siya.
Oh.
Ha?
Yung nakita niyo siya, sino kasama niya?
Yung mga malabor-bor. Tsaka si ano.
Isa si Jesus sa labas.
At saka si ano. Yung nani. Nani. Si nani natin sumasabay sa kanya.
3, 2, 1.
Last bite.
Ang sarap siya, guys. Ang hangin yan.
Guys, tell you again, subscribe
Like and share.
and comment down below.
Bye!
If you also, sabi mo,
Okay.
Huh?
you also
If you also what?
eating this.
If you're also eating this time, it's yummy.
So then,
The spicy. Wala na. Itong rice. Wala.
ang sarap na rin. Kaya nga. Wow, kuya.
Kaya,
Ano ulap natin namin?
Hindi mo din.
kaya ganito. Kaya ganito.
Tama tayo isda.
Na, nakabili.
I'm putting it in the
Di ba,
table first.
bumili ka na. Ano yun ah?
It's floating!
Philip Cross pa yun. Para bago ko umalis, ma-prito
It was floating.
Huh?
The ship was floating.
What do you mean?
Too scary. There's a ghost in here.
There's no ghosts. Ghosts aren't real. Give me some.
Bay ng baksan chicken at saka
Mommy, I'm vlogging.
I can just
Paano
stop.
at pag-ararap ka pa ng maraming ice cream ba?
nga pa na.
Ang gawa ko sa ano. Wala mo gagawin yung bukas. Pasok.
Eto si kuya, hindi niya alam kung kailan siya magdadala ng ice cream kung Thursday ba o Friday.
So, drinks na lang dalhin mo, kuya.
Soft drinks?
Drinks, oo. Sa box na ganun, okay na. Mag-ano eh.
Or yung green tea?
Oo, okay na. Okay na. Kasi yung maghihirapan si mami mo. Tala mo mami sa classmates mo, makakalaro mo sa Roblox, kung kailan yung party mo.
O okay, ano, Alnes mo.
Paglaro ng Roblox.
Nom 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 nom.
I'll eat you next. Nom, nom, nom.
Wala na kuya.
Guys,
Tapos mo na yung mga ibang
Guys. hello.
Hal.
Hmm. Hello. Ginting bata.
Ay, iniinom nila yung tubig. Hal.
Sarap talaga ang tubig sa balon.
Doon dati iniinom nila
Oopsie.
Lamig. Sarap talaga.
Okay, bye guys. See you later. I'm gonna show the pet. I'm gonna show all of my pets. Bye, but not all of them. Bye.